If a woman greets you like this, she's attracted to you. Most men miss these signs because the female brain expresses attraction in milliseconds, before logic ever joins in. That's why her hello often reveals more than a whole conversation. In this video, you'll discover 20 rare greeting cues that secretly mean she's attracted to you. And the last one isn't just subtle, it's the one she can't control, no matter how hard she tries. If you're new here, welcome. We drop men's dating advice daily. Like the video, hit subscribe, and turn on the bell for instant updates. 1. Her body changes temperature before her words do. You walk up, and her reaction happens in waves. Her neck flushes slightly, her chest lifts, or her skin gets a soft sheen like she's suddenly warm. This isn't perfume-level sparkle. It's adrenaline quietly raising her heart rate. She might even fan her hair or adjust her necklace. Not to show off, but to regulate that pulse spike she just felt. Most men never notice that half-second heat bloom, but biology just said hello first. 2. Her greeting has a micro-laugh she didn't plan. It's not a full chuckle, not even a giggle. It's the small exhale of sound that happens when her body is relieved to see you. Like her nervous system sighs with delight. It often sneaks into a word. Hey! Breathy laugh. You made it. That accidental laugh is her guard dropping faster than her brain could control. Attraction doesn't always flirt. Sometimes, it just releases tension. 3. She interrupts her own momentum. If she's walking, talking, or typing and suddenly stops mid-action when she notices you, it's not clumsiness. It's fascination short-circuiting function. Her body freezes for a blink, like her system just hit pause to process your presence. Then she quickly resumes, pretending it didn't happen. That micro-stumble in her rhythm is her subconscious whispering, recalibrate, he's here. 4. She greets you with contrast, not comfort. When she's into you, she might greet you differently each time. One day she's teasing, the next she's formal, then unexpectedly shy. That inconsistency isn't confusion, it's chemistry. Her emotions are testing how you'll read her. Playful one moment, mysterious the next. Women who don't feel attraction usually stay emotionally steady. Women who do, their greetings feel like a mood board in motion. 5. She greets you with micro-coordination. Pay attention to timing. You wave, and she waves almost in sync, a hair too perfectly. You smile, and her face mirrors yours within a fraction of a second. That's limbic resonance, a biological tuning fork that happens when two nervous systems like each other. You're not imagining it. Her body literally syncs with yours before her mind joins in. 6. She exaggerates formality as a disguise. Sometimes attraction hides behind politeness. She might greet you with an overly crisp, "Good afternoon, sir," or a mock-serious tone. That's emotional camouflage. She's covering up her excitement with humor. The more dramatic the mock formality, the stronger the undercurrent she's trying to mask. Her body's blushing, her voice just put on sunglasses. 7. She restarts the greeting unnecessarily. Ever notice when she says hello, then repeats it seconds later? Hey, again. It's not forgetfulness. It's a reset. She's trying to re-anchor herself after that first nervous hit. It's like her system glitched and needed a do-over that felt smoother. Attraction often hides in repetition that doesn't serve logic, but serves emotion. I'm wondering how many of you have actually seen this happen. That double hello. Have you noticed it before? Comment yes if you've caught it, or no if it's new to you. 8. Her physical greeting changes depending on audience. Around others, her hi to you may be understated. A quick nod, maybe a half smile. But when it's just the two of you, it opens up. Warmer, slower, more personal. That switch reveals where she feels safe expressing attraction. When a woman compartmentalizes her greetings like that, she's not confused. She's protecting what she feels. 9. Her voice softens right before your name. Names are emotional triggers. If she likes you, her voice lowers or melts slightly before she says yours. It's an unconscious caress, her vocal tone stroking the sound of you. You'll feel it more than hear it, like she wrapped your name in warmth before releasing it into the air. 10. She times her greeting to align with your breath. Most men miss this because it's nearly invisible. If she greets you while exhaling, matching your rhythm, it's her body unconsciously syncing her physiology to yours. Breathing is the oldest form of bonding. If her hey lands in the same tempo as your inhale or exhale, that's not coincidence. That's her body whispering, "We fit." 11. She greets you with an unguarded face, then quickly masks it. There's a flash. 1 second of raw expression before her social filter kicks in. Maybe her eyes widen too much, or her lips part slightly, or she forgets to say anything for a beat. Then she composes herself, smiles politely, and continues. That flicker was attraction's first draft. The real reaction she didn't have time to edit. 12. Her greeting includes a subtle physical offering. No, not dramatic. More primal. She might expose her wrist, shift her hair away from her neck, tilt her body slightly open toward you. These are nonverbal access cues from deep evolutionary scripts. It's her body saying, "I trust your presence." It's not flirtation in words. It's ancient physiology announcing availability. If you're finding these subtle cues eye-opening, make sure you're subscribed. That way you'll keep catching the kind of insights most men never notice. Now let's look at the next one, because this next behavior comes straight from instinct. 13. She greets you with situational framing. Instead of "hi," she wraps her greeting in context. "There you are. I was just talking about you. I knew I'd run into you here." These aren't coincidences. They're attempts to build a micro-story between you. Attraction often expresses itself through narrative. She's not just acknowledging your presence, she's trying to weave it into meaning. 14. She creates a small interruption before her hello. Maybe she adjusts her bag strap, glances away, or fiddles with something before greeting you. It's not disinterest. It's her giving herself one beat to steady her nerves. That tiny pre-greeting ritual is her way of grounding herself before stepping into the emotional spotlight you represent. Her hands are performing calm. Her pulse is sprinting. 15. She shifts her sense of time when you appear. This one's hard to fake. When she greets you, the pace of her movement changes. Slower if she wants to absorb the moment, faster if she's excited and nervous. Her hi might come out breathy, as if she sprinted emotionally to reach you. When a woman's time perception bends around your presence, that's attraction bending reality itself. 16. She greets you with misplaced formality in casual settings. You show up at a friend's hangout and she suddenly greets you like you're meeting for an interview. Handshakes, direct eye contact, polite tone. That's her instinct fighting exposure. She knows she feels something, so her social brain throws professionalism over the top of it. The stiffness isn't rejection, it's defense. The tighter her posture, the more her feelings are trying to stay hidden. 17. She greets you like she's recalling an inside joke that doesn't exist yet. Her smile has familiarity in it, as if she's already shared something private with you, though she hasn't. It's the smile of emotional projection, her subconscious already imagining future connection. That premature intimacy is subtle but unmistakable. You'll feel like she's referencing something only you two know, and that's the magic. She's building that you and me bubble before it's real. 18. She greets you with micro-echoes of intimacy borrowed from her private life. Maybe she calls you a nickname that isn't common, uses a tone she'd normally reserve for close friends, or greets you in a rhythm similar to how she greets her pet or sibling she adores. These echoes aren't accidents. They're emotional muscle memory bleeding into your interaction. When her greeting borrows warmth from other bonds, she's unconsciously moving you into her emotional inner circle. 19. She greets you with layered eye behavior. Her eyes don't just meet yours, they orbit. First a direct look, then a quick scan of your expression, then back again. That double take is her visual nervous system mapping you for emotional data. If her eyes flicker between admiration and composure, she's managing internal chaos while trying to appear casual. Men often mistake this for shyness. It's actually emotional turbulence wrapped in restraint. 20. Her greeting contains a delayed echo of physical memory. You might have hugged her once weeks ago, or brushed hands accidentally. When she greets you now, her body subtly reenacts that memory. A micro-lean, a hand gesture that mirrors that past touch. She's reliving that moment unconsciously because attraction stores itself in muscle memory. When her present hello includes traces of a past connection, that's the subconscious replaying its favorite scene.